Hello everyone, today is Thursday, February 4th. I'm just getting around to making today's video. There's no video from Trader Jim today, but I wanted to discuss some trading ideas for the Autotrader. Been thinking a lot about, the best way to trade with the Autotrader. There's any number of approaches, as you can see how Trader Jim has showed us, but this chart I showed yesterday, and it was in Sim, but today I traded it. And what the trading idea I'm talking about is that most of the time, it seems like 75% of the time, you get a trade like this where the Autotrader enters the trade and you don't have a loser. It hits its goal right off the bat. And as you can see, right here, 4 minutes after the open, it entered the trade. There's a limit pullback of 24 ticks on this order. And it has a $1,000 goal, and it did 1,050, so it had excellent positive slippage, and the trade was over in 3 minutes. The market sold off, and in that 3 minutes, you can see there was quite a bit of volatility here. So it was probably on this bar that it hit its goal, but right after that, you can see it came all the way back up here. So tremendous volatility in the open. This is using the open range filter, and it's also using precision MA filter. And the reason for that is so that you don't go, short in an uptrend, even if it's above the open range filter, or you don't go long at the wrong place. So that's part of the reason for the filter, the moving average filter. This one has a simple moving average filter of 34, and I have a $1,000 goal with a 400 limit. Now, I also traded two other charts. So this is a 500 Heikin-Ashi tick chart, but this one has a $900 goal and a 260 loss limit, and max winners of 2. So 180 ticks is $900. So basically, it's not going to take more than 2 winners. It can have 2 winners, and that's it. And I don't have a max number of losers because the loss limit is 260. Now, again, the idea behind this is that the winning trades, if it doesn't have a winner right off the open, then that's it. So, this might have worked out here where I would have went short here. Not sure if this is using the open range filter. Yeah, it is. So this might have worked out with these two trades, but by trading a small loss limit like this, you can have several losers, and then you invariably get the day where this kind of thing happens. I traded a third chart, and that was the 5 line break wicked, and it had one loser here, and it only lost 140, but I turned it off. I didn't let it trade again. So basically, the net result was I was up 675 for the day, and I had 2 losing charts that got stopped out, and I had 1 winner. So my strategy is this, is to trade 2 or 3 charts with $200 or $300 stop losses and $900 or $1,000 targets. And there's going to be some days where all 3 of them hit, or one of them hits but the other 2 lose, or 2 out of 3. But by doing that and mixing it up, I'm counting on my odds of the big winning day, 2 to 1, 2.5 to 1, 3 to 1, allowing me to have some losers, but pulling ahead at the same time. So I think that's a real valid idea with the Autotrader, and I just don't think you can beat the Autotrader. A couple of other charts I want to show you that I'm following. And I have showed this chart before. This is the E-mini S&P on a Super Inco 4 tick, and this is actually trading 3 contracts. So it's trading, the first target is 16 ticks, and the second target is 32 ticks. So 1 off at 16, and then 2 off at 32. And this has a 1,000 goal with a 650 loss limit. So again, as you can see here, this hit its goal and had no drawdown. and that was done in the first trade was at 10 minutes to 10, and trading was done by 15 minutes after 10. So again, the power of the Autotrader to catch these moves. This is a great example of the open range filter. Did not go short here, just took the longs. So this chart's shown fairly consistent performance. I've showed it before. Finally, another 500 tick Heikin-Ashi chart that I'm following and trading. This one, again, note the single winning trade with no drawdown. And the money management on this is 2 to 1, 1,500. And it's a 16 tick pullback. And the precision MA filter is a 34 MA. And I've showed this before as well. This is another Heikin-Ashi 500 tick chart. A $1,000 goal, a 250 stop loss, and only 2 trades are allowed. So a little different money management on this to get it to $1,000. This one is using the open range filter and the precision MA set at 14. Okay, that's all for today's video. Just a quick word about NinjaTrader 7 and NinjaTrader 8. Although I have NinjaTrader 8, I prefer to use NinjaTrader 7. To me, it gets the job done, and I think it's better. Even though we have NinjaTrader 8, I would still trade NinjaTrader 7. Okay, that's it for today. I'll probably have another video tomorrow. Thanks for watching.